6 error Secure Boot is not enabled on PC. Battlefield 6 Secure Boot Error Fix, Full Guide. Why you're seeing this error. The Secure Boot is not enabled error appears because Battlefield 6's anti-cheat system, EA Anti-Cheat or Easy Anti-Cheat, requires Secure Boot and UEFI to verify your PC's system integrity. If Secure Boot is disabled, not supported, or your system is using legacy BIOS MBR mode, the game refuses to start. Step-by-step fix. 1. Check your Secure Boot status. 1. Press Win-R, type "You can see the code in our conversation history." 2. Press Enter. Look for BIOS mode UEFI must not be legacy. Secure Boot state off needs to be on. If it's off or unsupported, continue below. 2. Enter BIOS setup. Restart your PC and press the key to enter BIOS. Asus, F2, Dell, MSI, Dell, Gigabyte, Dell HP, ESC F10, Dell F2, Acer, F2. 3. Enable Secure Boot. 1. Inside BIOS, go to Boot Security Advanced tab. 2. Find Secure Boot, set it to enabled. 3. Make sure boot mode equals UEFI, not legacy. 4. Save changes, F10, exit BIOS. 4. If Secure Boot option is missing, you're likely on a legacy MBR partition. You must convert your disk to GPT to enable UEFI and Secure Boot. To convert, 1. Open command prompt admin. 2. Type "You can see the code in our conversation history." 3. Wait for completion, reboot, enter BIOS, set boot mode equals UEFI, enable Secure Boot. 5. Disable CSM compatibility support module. 1. In BIOS, find CSM legacy mode, disable it. 2. Save and exit. This ensures Secure Boot can activate properly. 6. Update BIOS if Secure Boot's still missing. Go to your motherboard's official site, download the latest BIOS update, flash, update it carefully. Restart, Secure Boot option will now appear. 7. Verify after reboot. 1. Press Win-R, type MSInfo32. 2. Check Secure Boot state on, BIOS mode UEFI. Now, Battlefield 6 should launch normally with no Secure Boot error. Optional, TPM check if requested by game. Press Win-R, type "You can see the code in our conversation history." If TPM is disabled, enter BIOS Advanced Security, TPM, PTT Intel, or FTPM AMD, enable it. SEO